Hey guys, Will from Briggs Automotive. Just want to share something with you very quickly. Got a 2017 V6 Amarok come in from another workshop. Lack of power, flashing coil light, engine light, codes for particular filter blocks, excessive soot accumulation, and efficiency below threshold. Seen this a lot. It's got an oxy sensor up the top here that soots up quite regularly. Pretty much every service we're giving this a clean. Also with these two codes, there's also a software update for this issue for these two codes as well. So it goes from 0001 to 0005. The software update can be done through ODIS. So our kind of repairs for this is pop some DPF cleaner in the top here. Yep, we use this stuff. You can get anything really. You can pop it in with that to help start the regen process. Update the software through ODIS. It's got an action code. If you guys have got ODIS, I'm sure you've already got the action code, but do that, then do a regen. I'll show you once the software's been updated. We've updated to 0005, and that software update can be actioned by this code 35E9. That covers all V6s with those two codes for that particular filter.